Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo on how to create a token on Solana. Go to tokentool.bitbond.com and select Solana from the drop-down menu. Now, connect your preferred wallet. Next, upload your token's logo and specify the name, symbol, total supply, and decimal places. You can also enable additional features to customize your token to suit your specific needs. Review your token details, then accept the terms and conditions. Click Create Token, and confirm the transaction in your wallet to pay fees. Once the transaction is complete, a confirmation modal with your token's contract address and a link to the block explorer will appear. And that's it. Your token is now live on Solana. Bitbond Token Tool, tokens made easy.